Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos in split view mode on Firefox browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you wish to split the YouTube interface into two such that you can watch on one side and also continue browsing through other videos on the other side on your Firefox browser, it's pretty simple. Just go to one of the video you wish to split. For instance, I'll wish to watch this in split view. So right click on it and you should see we have open in split view. If you click on this, now you can see it will be split into a half, and now here you can watch this video in split view. As you can see, here it is and the related videos, so you can go ahead, play this video, while at the same time on this other panel you can still scroll through other videos on your YouTube account. So as you can see, I'm now multitasking on the same YouTube platform. Now should you want to exit split view, then choose which one do you want to occupy the whole screen. If you wish this to occupy the whole screen, just tap on it and make sure it is selected. You will know it is selected when you see this ribbon around. However, if you wish to restore full screen on this other half, then choose this one before you can exit. So I'll choose this one so that I expand the whole screen to this. Once you have clicked on it, now head on top here and click on the split view and then choose separate tabs. If you click on that, now the whole screen will expand to the window that you chose. So that's how you can watch YouTube videos in split view on Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.